This Premier Realty Grays Harbor property video is presented by Karen Spangler. Adorable rambler is well kept and ready for a new owner. The porch deck was recently replaced and is perfect for enjoying a bright morning or calm evening. Inside the home you will be welcomed by a lovely living room with built-ins and a gas insert fireplace. The large, bright dining room flows naturally into the kitchen that has lots of storage and a pantry with pull-out drawers. In the bathroom you will find a lovely clawfoot tub for soaking, built-in drawers in the hallway provide plenty of storage. Both bedrooms are well lit and have new floors. A large laundry room has plenty of space for crafts, etc. finishes out the back of the home. Enjoy the serenity of a fenced backyard and fire pit. New roof and exterior paint on the home. For more information, review the details below or contact Karen Spangler at 360-589-8073.